Raised on stilt foundations, its single-story design mirrors the surrounding Balinese houses. It embraces a symbiotic relationship with the land, preserving green spaces and minimizing its ecological footprint. In the picturesque Balinese village of Pererenan, Bawa House emerges, a sustainable and low-impact approach to modern tropical living. What was once a barren plot of land inhabited only by chickens has been brought to life through the use of natural building materials and a lush tropical garden. It uses a 3 by 3 meter modular system with steel structures, speeding up construction time while maintaining full quality control over the materials. The house is made of prefabricated building elements and responsibly sourced materials, emphasizing the use of wood for carbon storage. Solid walls are minimized with large sliding doors and floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing natural light to flood the space throughout the day. This approach not only reduces waste, but also significantly lowers the building's carbon footprint, blending design with eco-consciousness. This minimalist family home comprises a main living space, 3 bedrooms, and an office, with each room designed to connect with the outdoors. Elevated wooden walkways connect the buildings and also extend the living area. This feature creates long lines of sight, adding to the sense of space and openness on a relatively compact site. The 3 buildings are positioned at different heights. This play with vertical space creates varied perspectives across the square plot. The areas between the buildings are filled with trees and plants, making the house appear to float among the greenery. The vibrant garden quickly attracted wildlife back to the land, while also creating a microclimate that helps cool the site during the hottest months. Bawa House House was conceived as a counterpoint to the high-density development sweeping across Bali, showing that modern family living can be achieved sustainably, with minimal impact on the environment and the local community. An oasis of calm in the constant movement of southern Bali.